Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry I'm a little bit late. So I already did one side of my face, did the makeup. So I am going to be using one of IMV's very popular makeup, eyeshadow makeup exactly. So I'm going to be showing you guys Malibu Sunrise. This is Ruby Kiss's eyeshadow palette that I purchased, and it's called Malibu Sunrise. So I have the yellows, the pinks, the orange, and the different colors. So these are the colors I'm going to be using in today's video. So we're going to start off. I'm going to use like this dark pink, like a fuchsia pink color. I'm going to apply it on the outer side of my eye, which I'm going to apply in a circular motion. So I'm going to use that color again. Hello everybody, welcome to the live. If you guys haven't already, please tap that screen for me and show your girl some love. Sorry I'm a little late. So I'm going to go ahead and just apply with the circular motion of the darker pink. Now I'm going to use a flat eyeshadow brush. I'm going to use this color here. It's kind of like an orange shimmer color, and I'm going to apply that in the inner corner of my eye. It's like an orange color. And then I'm going to go in, hey Nikki, I'm going to go in with this yellow here, this solid yellow color, and I'm just going to go in the crease of my eye and apply that color. Okay, so you kind of make it look more stylish. Hold on guys, let me get my eyeliner. I have my Ruby Kisses tattoo eyeliner. The color is Black is Black. It only costs $2.99. So I have my Ruby Kisses tattoo eyeliner. The color is Black is Black. It only costs $2.99. And you see how smooth it goes on? And it's okay if you mess up like that at the end, because you're going to clean up with some concealer and then you're going to blend it in. So it doesn't matter. Okay. So now I'm going to use my darker concealer, and I'm going to use my lighter concealer. I'm going to use the 345 Warm Coconut, which is on IMV website. I'm going to use that underneath my eye. So as you guys see, I messed up a little bit, but I'm just going to clean it up with the concealer. But I'm going to go back in with my eyeliner, and I'm just going to make it more even. I'm rushing a little bit, guys, because I came a little bit late, and plus I couldn't do my hair right. So hello Randa, I'm sorry, Renday, nice to meet you. Welcome to my live. If you guys are just getting on, please tap on that screen. Show your girl some love. TikTok, YouTube, share my live and show love to my live. Okay, so now we're going to use IMV lashes. And this is the Open Eye Hebreed number 04. And these are the lashes that I'm going to be applying. And I'm going to use my favorite lash glue, the Super Adhesive 3D Lash Glue in the color Clear. And I'm going to show you guys how I apply it around. Oh, nice to meet you. I'm just going to apply it around the rim just lightly. Welcome to the channel. I'm just applying around. These how your lashes stay on longer, and you don't have to worry about lifting throughout the day. Share my live, guys, on TikTok, and show your girls some love, please. So these are the lashes. I'm going to kind of like slightly bend them. I'm going to go ahead and apply my lash close. I'm going to press it down with my fingers. And I know you guys use lashes, I can't think. To, and I know you guys use lashes, I can't think. To, I'm not that experienced, so I get them on, but I'm not that experienced. Okay. Hi, Sanjay. Bless me, guys. Bless me, bless me. Woo. I'm trying to make sure I can get that makeup off. Alright, so now I'm going to use my brush to clean the excess of the concealer. I'm going to use my spray setting spray. I'm going to do it twice. 1, 2. It's a mist like. And I'm going to go ahead and... Oh, wait. I got to use my foundation. This is the 332 Classic Tan. I'm going to apply it here. 1, 2. I need to spray. I'm going to apply it here. 1, 2. I need to spray nothing. If you're just coming onto my live on TikTok and YouTube, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also show some love on my channel. Thank you, Sanjay. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm doing good. How are you doing? Okay, I'm going to use some warm coconut once again, and I'm going to apply that around my lip area. Hi, Match Balboa. Nice to meet you. I'm going to spray twice, and then I'm going to go ahead and go around the lip area easily. Hey guys, tap on that screen, show your girl some love. Get me up to 1,000 likes. So hopefully soon I will be doing some collaborations with others on both platforms, YouTube and TikTok. So I am very honored. And then hopefully then we can go on Instagram and do that too, go live. All right. So I feel like I look like Belle from Beauty and the Beast. Okay, so I'm going to use my blush. Oh, good night. Well, it's daytime over here, but you have a great night. I'm going to use the Pearl One by I Envy. I'm going to use a little bit of blush. I got to get some more of these different blushes because they don't irritate my skin. And it blends in with my skin tone a lot. So it looks like very natural. Thank you. You're so sweet. So we're going to Go back and forth like that. So you see how lightly the blush is? It looks very natural. That's what I like about that one. This is by I Envy. And it's not too harsh on the skin at all. So I definitely have to buy some more at all. So I definitely have to buy some more. I'm trying to make sure my eyebrows are even on both sides. I tried today, you guys. So if my eyebrows not that perfect, I apologize. Look, because I'm rushing, so I'm trying to like do the best. I think I need to go up a little bit in there. Yes, girl, your foundation matches you so well. Thank you. So if you guys are interested in the foundations that I did use in today's content, I did purchase from Ivy, ivyusa.com. I This is the Kiss Professional Full Coverage Concealer. This is the 345 Coconut, Warm Coconut. And then I use their foundation. This their liquid foundation. This is the Classic Tan. This is 332. So these are the two colors that I use. And you didn't need much. It's really thin. That's what I like about their concealers. Nicka K, there's a little bit thicker. So that's why I just use it for my arch, for my eyebrows. That's about it. Do I need to fix my eyebrows? Do they look uneven, guys? What you guys think? Maybe I need to go a little in there. Hold on, let me get my concealer. You guys know I am an eyebrow freak. This is the Nicka K. So Nicka K concealer is a little bit thicker. So use my angle brush. I feel like this eyebrow look more significant. Couldn't get the word out. So I'm going to use my Nude Me eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to go back in and use my dark brown. Okay, so now I'm going to fix it up with some concealer again. I'm using Nicka K Acorn. This is number 7. So if you guys are interested in the concealer am wearing for underneath my eyebrows, this would be it. I can't even talk today. What's going on? Okay. Not having much love will come my heart. What you mean by that, Iron? What you mean? Not having much love will calm my heart. What do you mean by that? And I'm going to use my angle brush. You get ready. I see you. Yeah, I'm getting ready for work. Show me some more love, guys. I come on here every day before I go to work. So please like, share, and subscribe. A Princess Live. Well, thank you. So hopefully you guys will see me do collaboration soon. Like I said, I'm very excited. I would love to do collaborations with others to learn and to also grow myself. Does anyone know on TikTok, do you guys know who's hiring for remote jobs? Because I'm looking for a remote job, like customer service. They're beautiful. Sagittarius, a dark star. I need to see, how old are you actually? Because I can't really see your profile. And where are you from? Take me with you. Take you where? Dang, I still can't get that arch. My profile isn't my life, honey. Come with me. Our utopia. No, how old are you? Alright, guys. This is the finished look. Very simple, very easy, everyday look. I used Ruby Kisses Malibu Sunrise. I used the dark pink. And I used this color. And I used a little bit of the solid yellow. Ooh, no, you too old for me. I'm sorry, y'all. Sorry, I'm not trying to embarrass nobody. No, I'm not. I used the Nude Me eyeshadow palette. So these are the two eyeshadow palettes I used in today's video. So this is I Envy's new eyeshadow palette, and then I used the concealers, Warm Coconut and Classic Tan. And my lips, I used the Kiss Midnight lipstick, and I used the LA Girls like a lighter color, like a watermelon strawberry color. But this is it. I want to say thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on TikTok. And I will see you guys in my next live. Bye.